Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case the list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, and I will mark everything. And we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data and tap on clear. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty. So it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the visited websites and ending on saved passwords, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.